Hi everybody, my name is Erika Garcia. Sorry for my flu. Let's go to practice my pronunciation. First, let's see who's speaking today. Mary's sister loves sipping juices. Frank's speaking about horses' saddles. Tom's zebra and big snake are unusual. Legs zigzag on the ice with Phyllis snakes. The candidate's speeches sounded false. Thousands saw Shakira's show. Her face showed a nice smile. Wendy's sister liked sausages. The Cyclops said, "This cheese stinks." Okay, the next part is about how to pronounce the word and complete the sentences. So the first part is O, alone, go, only, no, no, open, throw, so, over, thrown, throw, okay, Joan, grow, ocean, stone, flow, owner, coat, tomato, oh dear, come, potato. Phone Joan at home. Don't go to throw stones. It's snow at groves, on groves. You own Joe a full cone. My nose and throat hurts is really in this moment. Joe grows tomatoes and potatoes. Don't go to show alone. And somebody has a stone in my cup. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.